please. Oh, it's not at all, it's not like... That better?
Yeah, probably about the best you're going to get it.
Yeah. This one was packaged just like this, yeah?
Yeah.
In an envelope like this, which is fine. It's perfectly fine. But this, I'm quite impressed. It's tracked. Is this the one you bought from Etsy? I think this is perfectly nice. Look, it's just a sticker. What? Look at it. It's well packaged. It's rolled in. Look at that. Look. Perfectly.
Are they individual pieces as well?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you haven't got a... Yeah, okay.
Look. Oh, is this cute or what? Little birdies. It's lovely. Just like that.
Eh?
Yeah.
Below it.
Oh, it is nice.
Betsy Johnson.
Betsy Johnson, that's an American designer.
Well, there we go.
It is quite cute. Do you think I'll...
Betsy Johnson again. Grapes.
Oh, this
Is
is
that
lovely.
grapes or raspberry?
It's a flower. Tulip.
Oh, I had it upside down. I thought it was a raspberry.
Look. It's a lovely tulip.
I thought it was a raspberry. Out.
Yes, please. I need that for something.
Salsa, oh, my favourite. Oops. Flying low. There's bird shit on it already, yeah?
Aray!
Hey.
That's hot.
No. What, the steel bit that's been in the oven?
Look
Is
at
that the
this.
bit you meant?
Oh wow.
I'm going to put that in the fridge.
Mhm.
Still a little bit of fizz with it. Yeah, I'm going to say the string is taking ages to get off. The leg is just going to fall off once the string's not holding it. Right, there we go. Right, there we go. One leg
Mm.
falls away.
The meat is tasty. You don't need salsa on. I feel like I want to eat with my bare hands. Thank you. Just like that. Just one. It's okay.
Another one?
Later.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Good. You're going to shrivel up and fade away, lady. There's a chicken breast. Trying to slice it, but it's just falling apart.
You don't want the leg?
Yeah, I'm having that with this as well.
Mm-hmm.
Don't mess about me, mate.
Mm.
You like that? And the bone just flips away, falls apart. Well done, babe. Lovely slow cooked,
Slow roasted.
slowly falling apart.
That's what I said. You just have to take it apart. You don't even need a knife and fork for it.
No, well, the toughest bit on that chicken was the string.
Mm.
Hey, right, shall I just put that down the side there? And that
Oh,
down
I'm
the
just having
side
my
there.
favourite at the moment. The wing.
Cheers. Bon appetit.
It's just us. So
Just grab
take
a
it
load.
apart. Yeah.
Yabba dabba doo. Wow, look at that cheesy chips. Oh, yeah. Birds love you, isn't it? Some new flowers grown up through the slabs. Mmm. Here's a view looking at it. I'm not sure. I recommend. Salsa.
Mm.
With chilies.
Mm-hmm.
Have they got a bit of kick in these chilies, the green ones we got? Hmm?
Nothing for me.
Yeah, you've got a mouth of steel, eh?
It just tickles your taste buds.
You've got a gob of metal, darling. Come on. Give it everything.
The nice aroma of the fresh chili is so much different than
You know
just
we're
the
in the
dry
UK,
one. Mm.
but if I was in Italy, it'd be like, oh,
Mama, good.
hang on, there's a cocktail stick I've been by. You stabbed him.
No, I sealed it because I stuffed it with spring onions
Oh, okay.
so that the inside won't dry out. Thank you.
Falling apart.
Thank you, darling.
Got an extra bit of bone there, look, bonus. Have a bit of juice. Yeah, baby.
Have a bit of chili, come on.
I just wanted a bit of juice on chicken.
Mm.
So tired. Right, with chilies. Even
So good.
the green bits over the chips and cheese. Oops.
Mmm.
And what's the marinade?
It's just a dry rub.
With?
I told you before. Like I did with the fried chicken. The chip is still pretty hot. I saw a bird went into the shed.
Hello?
Mm.
Does it come out again?
I haven't seen yet.
Oh,
I hope it doesn't get stuck in the cooker.
he'll find his way out.
This needs to be eaten like this. Spoon and fork.
Spoon and fork
Mm.
and your fingers.
It's not spicy though, is it?
We need to go and search
For what?
some chilies with some real kick. I can feel it. It's there. Just, you know, it's moving around the mouth. But nothing. It's just a bit of heat. It's just passing a bit of heat around there. I have to go get some hot babies.
Go away! Oh, for Christ's sake.
There you go. It's not. Oh,
No, it's right here. It just came back on my shoulder.
what do you think? He's a parrot. Nice earrings, love. Where did you get it from?
From my cheapskate husband.
Yeah? Excuse me, that was a package deal. Actually, when you work out, what brand are they? Did you say they were?
I can't remember now.
Is it that bloke? I can't remember now. Is that the one that said $20 on the packet? I forgot the name. I must remember that
Something
name.
charter or charter something.
I must remember the name. Oh! Well, that chili found me. Every so often, one piece just makes its way and manages to find the back of my throat. But no. No kick, eh?
No.
She's tapping its foot, really.
I told you, it just tingles a bit and then it disappears. What?
Lovely.
I can feed you with just so sour, eh, darling?
Yep. I could drink the stuff. Put it in a bottle, put it in the fridge, I can drink it.
Well, you shouldn't, because it's soy sauce.
Yeah, I know. But I can't help it.
I diluted it in water so it's not too strong.
You what? Yeah? Don't you normally do that? You do?
Just so it's not too strong. Because that's already flavoursome. That's full of flavours. What's that for?
Chili bite me. Just so there's a nip.
I want to try this. This is the one we got from Lidl. Oh, it's nice and sweet. Wow. Full up.
It's funny when it's really hot like this, you don't eat so much, eh?
That's why I thought just chicken inside. That's what I was thinking because it's too heavy. You know, we haven't had a chicken Kiev and salad. We normally have it like, you know, for tea in the summer.
Yeah, true, we haven't, eh? Filipino style.
It's cool though, eh?